In this video, we are going to tell you about credit profile numbers, also known as CPNs. A CPN is defined by Freddie Mac as a 9-digit identification number that looks like a Social Security number, or SSN, and may be used in lieu of a Social Security number for such purposes as obtaining credit. You have a legal right to keep your Social Security number private. In certain circumstances, consumers are required by law to disclose their SSN, such as to the Internal Revenue Service employers, when registering a motor vehicle, buying a firearm, or applying for a federally insured loan. In other circumstances, federal law allows consumers to legally use a separate identification number, hence the opportunity to establish a CPN. CPNs are commonly used by celebrities, members of Congress, and witnesses protected by the federal government to help protect their privacy and security. The FBI defines credit profile numbers as 9-digit numbers that follow the same algorithm as Social Security numbers. Currently, federal law allows individuals to legally use CPNs for financial reporting and protects those individuals who do not wish to disclose their SSN. Individuals who acquire CPNs are completely responsible for any debt they incur using this legal new credit file. Feelings are mixed concerning CPN numbers based on governmental statements posted directly on their websites. CPNs are not only legal, but commonly used to help individuals protect their privacy and security. One truth about CPN usage is that there are many citizens of the United States that routinely use this type of identification number. Celebrities call us and often request the use of one as a means of protecting their privacy when it comes to credit cards, loans, and other financial transactions. Members of Congress are also likely to use it in order to minimize the chances of private details about their finances being released to the general public without their authorization. People placed within the Witness Protection Program are often issued a CPN, as it is much harder to track than a Social Security number. Our research, heavily influenced from FBI and Freddie Mac official statements, suggests that CPNs are in fact legal to own, legal to use, and currently the fastest and safest methods of credit repair to avoid any potential problems. Be sure to complete all credit applications truthfully and never lose sight of your finances. You are responsible for whatever loans or financing you obtain using your legal new credit file. If you ever have any questions about the process, feel free to reach out to legalnewcreditfile.com.